Hello and welcome to this week's Solution Saturday. In this video, we're going to go through question 38 from the Consortium Group 2 2015 paper. Make sure to check out the other videos in the playlist for more worked solutions from this paper, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our other videos. Consider this question. The 6 cards below each have one number on the other side. The numbers, in order of increasing size, are 2, 5, 6, 10, 12 and 23. We've also been given these cards, which are labelled A to F. Use the clues below to work out which number is on which card. First, let's tackle the first clue, which is A multiplied by B is C. We know that there are 3 options for C, which are 10, 12 and 23. And the reason we know this is because none of our other numbers are multiples of these 3 numbers. But some of the other numbers in our list are their factors. However, we know we can eliminate 23 as being C, because it's a prime number, and so none of our other numbers make up its factors. We could have 2 multiplied by 5 to get 10, or we could have 2 multiplied by 6 to get 12. So we know that C can either be 10 or 12. Now let's move on to the second clue, which is B plus C equals D. We've already said that C has to be 10 or 12. So if C is 10, then B can be 2 to make D as 12. However, if C were 12, then the only number larger than that in our list is 23, and we don't have 11 to get from 12 to 23. So we know that C can't be 12. Let's write this into our answer key. So we know that D has to be 12, we know that C has to be 10, and we know that B has to be 2. If we look back at this calculation that we first did, if B is 2, then A has to be 5. Now let's move on to our last clue to find out what E and F are. D, which we calculated is 12, is divided by B, which we calculated is 2. And this gives us an answer of 6. We now know that E has to be 6. And because F is our last number and it's our last card, F has to be 23. Thank you for watching. We hope you've been able to gain valuable skills that you can apply to problems similar to this one. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment or reach out on our other platforms. Check out the other videos in the playlist for more solutions on tricky questions from this paper.